Hi guys, I'm Taesha from The Natural Nurturer.
And I'm Candace from Find the Fulcrum.
And we are really good friends. We're both busy working moms, but we also really value natural living. However, we do it a little bit differently from each other. If you follow my blog, you know that I love recipes. I love cooking recipes, I love homemade food, and I also love natural DIY recipes. I love how I can control the ingredients, and this is one of my most popular and one of my personal favorite, DIY natural foaming hand soap. So I got this foaming hand soap dispenser off of Amazon, bought it one time, use it time and time again, and all you do, lid off, simple right there, right? And you do 2 tablespoons, this is Castile soap, and you do 2 tablespoons of that, in you go. Then you're going to take a liquid oil. I use jojoba oil. You can do avocado oil, olive oil, fractionated coconut oil, whatever you fancy. It just needs to be a liquid. This makes things nice and soft, and it also helps with what we're going to put in next. So 1 teaspoon of those. And next, I put in Young Living Thieves Oil. This is my personal favorite. I only use Young Living because it's super pure, super clean, absolutely, my opinion, top of the line. And so I do 10 drops of Thieves, but you could do 10 drops of lemon, 10 drops of lavender, or just whatever your favorite essential oil is. Oil in, and then the very last step is water. You're gonna fill it 3/4 of the way up, so you have some room for air that will give the soap that foaming action. There you go. Lid on, give it a little shake, and you're done.
And I prefer to shy away from the do-it-yourself. I can do it myself, but I prefer not to. I would value convenience. I have 2 kids and a lot of stuff going on, and I don't have time to be taking out all my little spoons and recipes and stuff, even though you can do it. So I like to buy the Thieves Foaming Hand Soap Refill. I bought my glass foaming hand soap dispenser on Amazon, just like Taesha did, and all I have to do is take the refill, pour it into the bottle, wait for it, everybody.
Your one ingredient trick right there.
This is my one ingredient. And the same when you're making it with all the different ingredients. You want to leave room for air, and you want to leave room for this extra foaming piece. So you put the dispenser in. On both of them, you will be priming your pump like that, and you're good to go. So you can do it either way.
Both are equally natural, both are equally great. It just depends on what kind of a person you are.